Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of factors that contribute to demand pull inflation? 1. Increase in consumer spending. 2. Expansionary monetary policy. 3. Higher production costs. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option A. Statements 1 is correct. Demand pull inflation occurs when aggregate demand in an economy exceeds aggregate supply, causing prices to rise. It is driven by factors such as increased consumer spending, expansionary monetary and fiscal policies, rising government expenditure, and strong business investment. Statement 2 is correct. Low interest rates and higher wages can also boost demand, further fueling inflation. Statements 3 is incorrect. Higher production costs lead to cost push inflation, not demand pull inflation. This type of inflation happens when firms increase prices due to rising input costs, like wages or raw materials. Consider the following statements regarding President's rule under Article 356. 1. It is imposed when the President is satisfied that the governance of a state cannot be carried out in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution. 2. Once imposed, President's rule can be extended indefinitely with the approval of Parliament every 6 months. 3. During President's rule, the governor of the state acts as the representative of the President and exercises executive authority. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer is option B. Statement 1 is correct. Article 356 of the Indian Constitution empowers the President to impose President's rule in a state if they are satisfied that a situation has arisen in which the government of the state cannot be carried on in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution. Statement 2 is incorrect. President's rule is initially imposed for 6 months and can be extended for a maximum of 3 years with parliamentary approval every 6 months. It cannot be extended indefinitely. Statement 3 is correct. When President's rule is in force, the governor of the state acts as the representative of the President and exercises executive authority. The state's legislative assembly is either suspended or dissolved, and the governor administers the state with the assistance of advisors appointed by the President. Thank you.